Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new Sea Ray L590 L-Class yacht. The first thing you'll notice is the large hydraulic swim platform with ample storage for your tender, large trunk with plenty of room for dock lines, fenders, as well as a power cord reel. As we step aboard, you'll notice the teak flooring on the companionway as we enter into the large cockpit on this boat, which features wraparound seating, solid wood cocktail table, and a summer kitchen with a grill and a refrigerator in the cockpit. As we enter the salon, you'll see lots of seating for entertaining friends and family. Large flat screen television with sound bar. A large galley with solid surface countertops, dual refrigerators and freezers, microwave, and a large dinette with plenty of seating for your friends and family, as well as a nice solid wood dinner table. As we come to the helm, you'll notice the dual captain seats for you and a guest, as well as dual E-Series Raymarine displays and Raymarine autopilot, easy access to all your switches and controls on the boat, as well as joystick piloting. As we go down into the cabin, this vessel features 3 staterooms, 1 VIP, 1 master, and 1 guest. As we go forward, we come into the VIP stateroom, which features 2 large lockers on both sides. The VIP head also doubles as the day head, with a vessel sink, electric flush head, and a large stand-up shower. The guest stateroom features ample storage space with multiple drawers and a hanging locker, and a unique berth system that slides together to make a queen-size berth or splits into 2 doubles. As we come into the master stateroom, we also see the master head, which features a vessel sink, beautiful mosaic tile inlays, a very large stand-up shower, as well as an electric flush head. The master stateroom of this boat runs the full beam of the boat, features a queen-size bed, beautiful whole-side windows for lots of natural lighting, a sofa for you and your guest, a built-in vanity that's lit, and ample hanging locker space for your clothes. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray yachts.